What is up? Yes, I am back. Hello, this is Kim Ward. I freaking won. I won. And what does that mean for you? That means I am the champion. Yes, and I'm going to share 3 steps with you on how to freaking win. Are you ready? Let me know that you're ready to win. I am pumped. Life is great. And I've got so much up my sleeve for you. And we celebrate big. So here's what I want you to tell me. What are you celebrating? What did you do this week? Did you restore a friendship? Were you consistent in your business? Did you hit that weight loss goal? What are you celebrating? Here's what I realize. We do not stop to celebrate ourselves nearly as much as we should. And so I want you to celebrate your journey, your success, your consistency. You're overcoming those nagging, limiting beliefs that are just pecking you, right, throughout the week. Because like me, you're in the same 4 walls all the time. You're letting that noise get to you and you're like, okay, snap. We're going to stop that right now. So if you have not been following my stories, that's where the jam is. And so what I released this week is thousands of marketers over the summer. We competed in a little healthy competition. There's nothing wrong with healthy competition, right? And we competed in a marketing challenge, and we had to not only recruit, but also have the best retention. And so what does that mean for you and your business? It's great to enroll people. It is great to recruit and to do the work, but retention is the key. And that's what you're really looking for in life is the retention, keeping people energized, being a great leader, doing the thing that's gonna set you apart and also help you and the people you're surrounded with win. So Wednesday night, they announced several different levels. And on the first level, I took the first place position over everyone who was in my weight class, my category, and I won an iPad Air. But more importantly, I was like, yes! And I'll tell you why. Have you ever been in a position in your life? Because I'm gonna be full-blown honest, right? You saw me on the Play to Win reality show. I was the 3rd global finalist. I beat myself up for a long time, couple months, because I didn't take that first place spot, right? I didn't win that $5,000. I didn't win the coaching or the job with the Higdon group. And I kicked myself in the butt and I let those limiting beliefs tell me, you're always that girl who's so close, Kim. You're always so close, but you never quite finish. Have you ever told yourself anything like that? Don't lie. Don't lie. I'm telling you straight up, that's who I was. So here's what I did. And I'm gonna share 3 tips, 3 steps for you to take right now. Right now, immediate results for you to win. What does winning mean? It means something different to all of us. We're all winners. Even though I didn't win, right, on Play to Win, I freaking won. You're winning in your life. You're winning in your journey. But are you ready to win those contests? Are you ready to put your name on the leaderboard? Are you ready to show up and put your name out there and say, I'm planting my flag, I'm here to stay? That's what I want to share with you right now. So I did go ahead and put the 3 steps in the description. I'm not scared that you're going to read them and leave because I need to put some emphasis on there. You can't just say, okay, great, that's what I do, and then you run off and do it. Because if you were going to do that, you would have done it already, right? Right. So number 1, I need you to create that intention. How often in your life do you step into a new surrounding, a meeting, a conversation, a whatever, a contest with the intention on placing first, second, third? I submitted my Play to Win video with the intention that I would be chosen as a contestant. And I was. I had the intention, clearly identified intention, that I was going to make it to the finals. This is a true story. I'm not going to lie. I had the intention that I would be a finalist, and I was. I made it to the top 3. I did not have the intention. I did not create the intention that I was going to pull off the final win. And I imploded. I did. I'm not going to lie. So what I have for you is creating that intention, clearing some space and telling yourself, the universe, God, your brain, both conscious and subconscious, because we know how that little biatch works, that my intention is to show up and to place whatever it is that you're looking for. And I'm going to tell you 2 quick stories of 2 of my clients who kept these steps, who kept this mentality and just freaking crushed it in their business, right? Number 2, I need you to stay consistent, baby. I need you to stay consistent. That's where you fail. That's where things go wrong. And I don't mean consistent until, all right, here's what happens. And don't lie, I know you've seen this before, and maybe you've been the one in the contest where you see somebody's name thrown up on the leaderboard, and maybe it's not your name. And you think, oh snap, I don't have a chance in hell at this point. However, what you don't know is that maybe you're 1 point behind that person. Maybe you're not. Maybe you're more than 1 point behind that person, but you gave up. You told yourself, I'm done. I'm done. That's what I did in that last challenge on Play to Win, and I was done. I was tapped out. Now, my client, one client A, I'm not going to tell you her name, but if she sees this and she wants to chime in and say, yes, that's me, baby. She just started with this new company. True story. You can go to my mastermind post, and I want you to tell me, has this ever happened to you? You saw your name up on that leaderboard and you're like, defeat. I'm already defeated. Out. When you could have won, but you weren't consistent until the end. Never, ever, ever discount yourself as a loss. I need you to really put this into your body. Make this a fibrous part of your being. And say, I'm playing full out consistently until that bell rings. So client A just started this new company, right? True story, true story. And she had a very large order coming in. And this order would have placed her into her fast start bonus. And this is her first fast start bonus ever achieved in the history of her being in direct sales and network marketing. What do you think happened? I know you've been in her shoes. What do you think happened? That order fell through. That potential customer did not come through with that order. What would you have done? What would you have done at that moment? Would you have said, well, that order didn't come through. I guess I missed my fast start bonus. I think there's a point in time where we were all that person with that mentality. Folks, this is a decision. Your life, winning, getting to that top of that comp plan, enrolling those clients, doing what you say that you want in life is simply a decision. And here's what my client did. I was in her head. All of the things that she knew and learned from coaching with me, from being in the mastermind, she tapped into that person, into her passion. And she said, you know what? That order fell through. Okay, I'm not done. And she went and she ran. She was consistent. It's not running until burnout. I don't want you to burn out and then fizzle back. I want you to be consistently showing up so that the people who need to see you are consistently seeing you, so that your pipeline is always full, so that you're serving value all the time. So when your audience thinks about your thing, they know you're the solution to their pain or problem when the time is right. It's not always about you. Don't let your ego get in the way. It's about timing for them. She went out and she hit it. She hit her fast start bonus, and this past month, August, was her highest sales month than the past 10 years of combined sales in 1 month. Bam! Client number 2, same deal, people. She was gunning for a cruise to the Bahamas. June, July, August, those were her qualification months. June was a crappy month. And she's like, Kim, June sucked. There's no way I can make up for this in July and August. And I said, are you kidding me right now? Did you just come to me with that defeatist attitude? Because that's the worst thing that you can do, especially as my client, because I'm gonna, and that's what I did. We set her back on track. She rank advanced 3 times in 1 month. 3 times. She triple rank advanced and she earned. I keep saying won. She earned her cruise. How forgiving are you when those moments swallow you up that you expected to happen and then they didn't happen? Do you disqualify yourself? Are you defeated? Are you like, hell no, I made my intention. I'm not going to stop until that intention has been met. And if you didn't win, you know damn well you gave it your all. You gave it your best. You showed up. And what you do today, that's determining your business next month, 3 months from now. So if nothing else, you're setting yourself up for success, baby. All right? Keep showing up, keep shining bright, keep doing your thing. Number 3, final tip for this video is remember WIFM. I learned about a radio station called WIIFM. Have you heard of that? Have you ever heard of a radio station called WIIFM? WIFM. That means what's in it for me. That's what I want you to think about with your prospects, with your potential customers, with your potential business partners, with your potential clients. So yes, I won this affiliate contest. I just won the iPad Air. There were thousands of marketers competing in this challenge and I won my weight class. And here's what I did. I never made it about me. I never once made it about me winning. I never once marketed, help me win, help me reach my goal. I need to be that servant leader. You need to be that servant leader. When you show up in a big way for people, they're going to remember that. And I had a client just reach out to me tonight because in my program, I offer payment plans. And this particular client said, I can't thank you enough for believing in me and for allowing me to be on your payment plan. Here's payment in full. Bam, balance paid in full. When you treat people good, that's what you get back in return. There doesn't always have to be something in it for you. Remember what's in it for me from their perspective. What's in it for them? What are they going to get by joining you? How are you solving their pains and their problems? So with this particular contest, I made it about them. How can I help you? How can this, what I have, help your business, help your mindset, help your growth? And if the answer is no, it can't, don't sell them the thing. You're out of integrity. They're going to resent you. They're not going to be, remaining in that community, AKA retention. That's what we're looking for. You need retention to build that solid foundation. Then you work on the duplication. Do you feel me? Is this hitting home? So I enrolled 21 people in the last 30 days. And here's what I have for you. I am literally opening myself up to you, and I'm going to show you exactly every step that I did, that I took consistently till the end to enroll 21 people and to clinch first place and win this iPad and massive bragging rights. Hello. If you're ready for that, say yes. Yes, I'm ready to win. I'm tired of playing mediocre. I'm tired of being inconsistent. I'm tired of not having the intention on being the best servant leader that I can be. And get into the group Monday night. I'm going to serve my ass off for you. I'm going to show you exactly what I did so that you can run with that. You can run with those steps. Yeah, it's a different business. Yeah, it's a different contest. It's the principle. It's the person. It's the integrity. Right? It's you. It's who you are in here. That's who shows up. That's who wins every single time. And I'm no longer the girl who comes just so close. I'm the girl who crushes it and then teaches you how to exactly do the same thing. So get into the group. All right. Tell me you're ready. Say me. Click that link, Creating Confidence. Get into the group. I hope that you got value out of this. I hope that you were entertained. Thanks for sticking with me. But more importantly, keep winning. Create the intention. Be consistent until the end. And remember with them, what's in it for me? What's in it for me as your client, your customer, the person who needs you?